Okay, Daddy. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful that we're all here in one piece, healthy, happy, and very full.
I'm very full.
Not full enough for pie.
Xander, what are you thankful for?
He's thankful for graduate puffs.
Can you say gobble gobble? Roman, what are you thankful for?
What are you thankful for?
Are you thankful for Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you love Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah.
How much? How much?
Whatever.
No answer? Bella, what are you thankful for? For your fingers and your brand new teeth? Trevi, what are you thankful for? Trevi? Are you thankful for your brother who you love? Is that who you're thankful for? Yeah. And I am thankful for... I'm thankful for my family. And that we laugh at least once every day.
This is it. No more laughing.